Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add your products into collections at Shopify. First things first, we have to log in into our Shopify account as an admin. And once you do that, what we want to do is go to products on your left side. And as you can see, I have three options here. I have running shoes, speed walking sandals, and winter shoes. Let's say we want to put first two, the running shoes and speed walking sandals, into the collection. So I'm gonna check the boxes next to them. And when the pop-up window comes, I'm gonna click on three dots and click add to collection. And I want to add it to spring collection and hit save button. And that's about it. With winter shoes, let's go like this. I'll click only the winter shoes, click on the three dots again, add to collection and hit the winter option. And just like that, you are adding your very own products into your very own collections. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.